Hello, children. Today I talk about animals. This is a farm with happy and funny animals. I am the pig. I am all pink. Pink is my favorite color. I am the funny cow. I am the white sheep. I am the smiling donkey. Look at my teeth. And I am the big horse. In the happy farm there are the singer rooster and the dancer hen. In the pond near the happy farm there are a beautiful swan, a green frog, and a duck with 5 ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The jungle animals. Listen to the jungle animals. I am the lion, the king of the animals. I am the big elephant. I've got a long nose. I am the giraffe. I've got a long neck. I am the zebra. I'm white and black. In the jungle, on the trees, there are monkeys, snakes, and crocodiles. The monkey, the snake, and the crocodile. What can animals do? The horse can run. The bird can fly. The frog can jump. The rooster can sing. The duck can swim. The monkey can climb. Listen and repeat. Farm, pig, cow, sheep, donkey, horse, hen, rooster, pond, swan, duck, ducklings, frog. Jungle, lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey, snake, crocodile. Well, the lesson is over. Have a good day, children. Bye bye.